All right, so for today's lesson, we're going to kind of walk through the Whiteboard.fi. Typically, I have that page with the 4x6s displayed, but I want to show you how to do that on your own from scratch. So you're going to start at the whiteboard. This is your blank whiteboard by clicking on the link, and then you're going to open up your whiteboard. And what you're going to do is you can insert a large grid or you can insert a small grid. I typically like to use the small grid, and then I go from there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, oops, let me undo that. So the undo button there. If I want to draw a straight line, I can go ahead and click this X, so that creates my straight lines. And so I'm going to create my 4x6. I'm going to go over 6 and click there, and then I click my X again, and I'm going to go down 4 there, and then you can work through and create your 4x6. So if you ever get stuck and the whiteboard erases, this is the process that you can create to create your 4x6. And then what you're going to do for today is on this 4x6, you are going to create a fraction equivalent to 2/6. And so if I think about how do I want to divide this fraction up into 2/6, and then I want to create an equivalent fraction. So if you want to create 2 of these rectangles, you can. And one of the ways that you can do that is just by picking it all up and then clicking this button here that says copy. And then you can click over here and click paste. And now you have your second rectangle the same size. So you can create the first rectangle of 2/6 and then an equivalent fraction to 2/6, however you decide to do that. You can use the coloring tool. Once you get it filled in, you can just go over here to the draw, and you can even make your line width a little bit bigger, or you can mess with the colors if you want to choose your different colors, so you can pick that. But you're going to go through and work through the problem. Now, the next step that you're going to need to do is to take a picture of this and to send it to me. So what you can do is you are going to click download, and you're going to download it as a JPEG, which is a picture, and then it's going to open there, and then you can copy that to your clipboard, or you can simply just share that with me. So we'll copy it to the clipboard, and then you can paste it in on your whiteboard. And we'll work through this live, just so you know, but that's one of the things that you can do so that you have a copy. Okay, and that's our lesson for today on using the whiteboard.